Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rosendo Alcaraz, and I wanted to show you something that's very common in these trucks. These Silverados, GMCs, you know, they're all the same thing. AC issue with a lot of them, and I've done a lot of research. This one is my brother-in-law's, and it had the same problem. Condenser goes right in here in front of the radiator, and it takes you at least 2 or 3 hours to get it changed out. But if you take it to a shop, it costs a lot of money. So we did that this morning. I got this done this morning, got it all set up, ready to charge the AC. But I wanted to tell you about this because this is what happens. I'll show you right here. So here's the condenser. This is what you're looking at. That's the passenger side. This is the driver's side. A lot of times, right along these little welds here, you see there's 3 of them here on the driver's side. Well, that's where most of them will leak. And this one, you can tell. You see this little area right here? You can tell where it has been leaking. And a lot of them, this is where it's at. It's here somewhere, but a lot of them is in this general area right here. There's some good videos. I didn't do a how-to because there's some good videos already on YouTube. How to do it. There's 2 different ways. I'll tell you quickly. One of them, of course, you take this top off. And there's like a rail or some metal thing that goes right here. Has 3 bolts on each side. Some people take that off and they just pull everything straight up. Now, it's a little bit hard to get to some of them bolts. So I just did like some of the other guys do. They loosen up the radiator and move it forward, or actually towards the back of the truck, and you can start disconnecting, take it out. That's how I did it. Plus I have a buddy, my buddy Sammy. He's been an auto tech for a long time, and he said he usually does that. That's a major problem. So if you're having any issues with any of these trucks, a whole lot of these trucks have that same problem. Check your condenser, and they're not very expensive, and just replace it, get it done. So big problem on these trucks. Just wanted to let you know. Thank you so much. See you on the next video.